Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Team Fortress 2 error code 11. The error reads, Steam has encountered an error when we tried to send you your offer. Please try again later. Click here to learn more about the error. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to trade items but are unable to complete the transaction. According to our research, this error occurs when the trade offer is in an invalid state and cannot be acted upon. This can happen if the trade window is still open, but the other person has already taken the offer back, or if your or the recipient's inventory is full. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to simply resend the trade offer. Create a new trade request and send it again. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then make sure that your inventory is not full. If your inventory is full, try removing some items to create space and then check for the error again. If the error continues, then it might be because the other person canceled the trade offer while you were still on the trade window. In this case, you need to start a new trade offer and check if the error still comes. If the error doesn't resolve, then click on the Click Here link mentioned in the error message. The trade might have already gone through. After clicking, refresh the page and check your inventory or backpack to confirm the trade status. At last, if you still get the error, then check whether your backpack or the other person's backpack is full. If either side has a full backpack, the trade may not be completed. So free up some space and then check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.